Easy, quick answers about making money online are here. Lots of people are struggling financially these days. The bad thing is that they don't know how to make their situation better. Online income streams are the key. This guide will give you tips on how to make money online. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. As you have just learned, there are many ways to earn money online. With the knowledge you have gained from this video, you can begin making money as early as today. Just like many others, you can earn money through reputable online sites. Learn everything you're able to, and you'll see the money flow in as well. Student loan,